Greetings guys and welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to continue our story about Officer Library and we are going to deal with styles. But in what way? We are going to create one document and then we are going to reopen that document and then we are going to change some styles of paragraphs of that document. So firstly you will have to import your Officer Library, and secondly we are going to create one empty document. With function read docx, and you see everything is fine. And now with function body add pair we are going to add some paragraphs. And we are going to set style to heading 1, but we have to provide this optional argument. Now I'm going to copy this line twice. Like this, heading 3 and heading 2. And if we print this out, everything went well, and I'm going to open this directory and this document. So everything is exactly as supposed to be. So now I would like to change these styles. And how we are going to do that? Firstly, we are going to delete this and we are going to reopen this document. In simple way, we are going just to provide path. And of course, path as optional argument. Now, in order to change styles, we are going to create one list. List style. And you probably know that if you create your list in this way, you are actually going to create a kind of table that contains one column named centered, and that column contains two rows, heading 1 and heading 2. But when you want to use this list to change styles, what this actually means is that you are going to select all of paragraphs with styles heading 1 and heading 2, and then you are going to change those styles into centered. And now I'm going to do another thing. Now I'm going to turn all of paragraphs with heading 3 style into paragraph with normal style. How to do that? Normal equals heading 3. And now I'm actually going to change those styles. Change styles of document, and now we are going to provide optional argument map style. And we are going to give it value of style, list we have created. And if I run this code right now, everything is fine. I'm going to open this document and voila, we did it. So this would be all about this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.